So did you think it was all over? Did you shed a tear at the so-called grand finale of Clarkson, Hammond and May's motoring bromance? Well, dry those eyes and brace yourself, because the Grand Tour might have parked up for good, but the boys are back with a brand new show apparently.
A brown car guy. Brown car guy.
Amazon Prime Video has just confirmed that the not very Grand Tour is set to be released on 18th April 2025. And despite someone, yes, Clarkson, we're looking at you, previously insisting that the Grand Tour finale would be the last time that he'd talk about cars on television because he's too old and fat to get into the cars he likes and not interested in driving the ones he doesn't, well, here we are. Turns out not even Clarkson can resist one more lap around the track. So what exactly is the not very Grand Tour? A triumphant return? A contractual obligation? Or just a nostalgia-fueled trip down memory lane? Well, according to the British Board of Film Classification, this series is a motoring comedy documentary directed by longtime collaborator Phil Churchward, who's also been involved in some of the Grand Tour and Top Gear episodes. One episode entitled The Glory and the Power is already listed, described as a celebration of the combustion engine, featuring footage from past adventures and test drives. Industry details revealed that this segment was actually filmed back in July 2024, suggesting that this wasn't a last-minute decision, but rather something that's been quietly bubbling away in the background. So should we be excited, cynical, or just grateful that the holy trinity of petrol-powered mayhem hasn't completely retired to grow vegetables, crash helicopters, and pretend to know how microwaves work? One thing's for sure, when these three get together, something will break, someone will crash, and somewhere an entire country will probably be offended. And frankly, that's exactly why we'll all be watching. What do you think? Are you buzzing for this, or is it time that they really did call it quits? I look forward to hearing your comments below. Oh hey, are you liking this video? Then make sure that you hit the like button, make sure that you share, and make sure that you subscribe. How to be an automotive content creator by BC Guy. I've been an automotive journalist for 35 years. I've done everything. I've been Saudi Arabia's first motoring journalist. I've driven vintage Bentley blowers. I've driven Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Bugattis, even an F1 car, hung out with F1 legends, presented cars on radio and TV, at live shows, at major motor shows. But how have I done this? Well, I'll explain everything in my latest book. It's out now. It's on Amazon. How to get into this career, how to be on this same journey, how to get cars, how to review them, what equipment to use, what platforms to get onto, how to turn it into a sustainable career. All of those secrets and more are all in this book. It's out now. 35 years of experience I have poured into this book. Shout out time, guys. Thank you so much. Hey, if you enjoy my content, why not get involved? Buy me a coffee. You can do that at either of these links. Or if you're watching on YouTube, buy me a thanks or take out a membership. It all helps. It really does.